Hello Panthers, welcome to week 9 of Computer Lab. This is the Nearpod assignment for Kinder 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. Let's get started. Panthers, we're doing this Nearpod to help wrap up our first 9 weeks. So all of you will be doing a Nearpod. My Kinder's 1st graders and 2nd graders have a slightly easier or shorter Nearpod. And my 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders will have a slightly longer or more challenging Nearpod. And so we're here at my website and we want to look for the Nearpod link. You could either do it manually yourself, join.nearpod.com, or click on the circle. It's like a diamond logo sideways, kind of, and it says Nearpod down below. Okay, so go ahead and click on Nearpod. You're going to see a space for a join code, and so in the classroom, it's going to be different for every class when you come, but you want to enter 5 letters, okay? Usually it's 5 letters, maybe numbers, but in this case, for my example right now, it is letters. I'm going to click in the enter code section and type the letters. Again, pay attention to the code that I'm showing you for your class during your time. For this video example, it is PLECB, okay? I'm going to press join. When you press join, you're going to get some options on how to sign in to Nearpod. And so let's let it load. So, first attempt, I want you to try using where it says sign in with Office 365. That's the same as Microsoft that we've been using for a lot of things. So click this red rectangular button. If it doesn't seem to work, sometimes I tell you, well, you can sign in with Clever and it should work and follow the steps with Clever. But I'm going to use this red one first, all right? So click with the red one. You might see some windows. You might have to put in your same as your Canvas password and all that fun stuff, but you should get to a screen that looks like this. Yes, continue. And then we're waiting for the Nearpod to start. So this example for the video, I'm using the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade example. My Kinders, 1st graders, and 2nd graders, you're going to see something very similar, just not as long, all right? But still, stay with me, all right? You're going to see almost the same thing. When you're in class, you just have to sit tight and wait for this Nearpod to get started. Everyone's signing in and joining, all right? You can't manually make this move, all right? So let's get started. As the teacher, I will be moving the slides around, and you're going to see the slides progress. The first slide, besides being the title, this next slide, is really explaining what we're doing with this Nearpod. We're going to be basically expressing our opinions about the first 9 weeks assignments in Computer Lab. You're going to be interacting with the screens, drawing some X's, check marks, some question marks if you don't like it. There'll be an opportunity to record. My older kids will have a chance to record some stuff. My younger kids, you're not going to do some recording. But either way, we're also going to show our understanding by doing some interactive activities and also a time to climb. So that's going to be fun, all right? All of us are going to do that. Our first part of this Nearpod is just telling your opinion. This is a drawing activity, all right? And so you're going to be able to draw on the screen. Oops, we're not at the drawing part yet. Let me proceed. This first section is really about describing what you're about to see. Sorry, let me get to the drawing part. Here's the drawing part, okay? In the drawing, you're going to have some options down below, and so you can click on the markers, the text, the highlighters. You can even put pictures if you wanted to, but let's stay away from the pictures if we can. Or, I mean, you could be creative, but the idea is putting some check marks. So choose a color. I'm going to choose green for the ones that I liked, and maybe change the colors accordingly for red and question mark. But your choice. It doesn't really matter, okay? Just I want you to tell me, did you like it? Did you dislike it? Or you don't really have an opinion, or you don't remember, or don't know, okay? So, did you like the art that we did? Some classes did the art at the beginning of the year, some didn't, so if you liked it, put a check mark. Do you like typing.com? My older grades do typing.com, my younger grades do K for keyboarding. All of us have done Epic, all of us have done Prodigy, all of us have done the Robot Turtles. All of us have done code. Now this is where it might be different. Not all my classes did Tinkercad. My younger grades, you won't even know what that is, so you can skip it. You have a button that says ABC, okay? And so put it, I don't know if you don't. Or if you know about it, put a check, put whatever you want, okay? And so Nearpod, this is what we're doing. A Nearpod is exactly this. And so we've done it at the beginning of the year. If you don't remember, we did some quizzes about teachers from around the school. So if you remember and you liked it, put a check mark. When you're done, down below it says submit. So go ahead and press submit. I got it, yay. Okay, and then you wait. Don't press edit answer unless you really want to change it again. But once you press got it, and once you press submit, you get the got it, and you're waiting for the teacher to move on. All right. So as the teacher, I'm going to move it on. Now, I'm going to try to wrap up this video here soon, but you're going to see other activities. Everyone's going to do a matching. My younger grades, you're going to do a little less matching. My older grades, you're doing a little more matching. Okay, so you got to match the picture with the text, the label. All right, you get the idea. Okay, I'm going to press next. My older grades and my younger grades, everyone is doing a time to climb. Okay. You wait for the teacher to start the time to climb. You choose your character. Please don't take too long choosing your character. They're a lot of fun. They're really enjoyable. But when you're ready, press join. When everyone has joined the time to climb, me, the teacher, will start the game. These are multiple choice. Okay. Oops. I went too fast. Let me do that one more time. The questions are multiple choice. Every grade level has two choices. Okay. It's not very complicated, but my older grades have more questions. I think I give you 10 questions, give or take. My younger grades have about 4 or 5 questions. All right. Sorry, I forgot to start the game as the teacher. So I'm not going to go through all the questions, but this is what it kind of looks like. You as a student have the question and you have to decide between one choice or the other choice. All right. And then it moves your character up. Okay. I'm going to do one more. Again, my older grades have more questions and they get a little more challenging. My younger grades, less questions and they're not as challenging. All right. I'm going to leave it right here and move on, but you guys have fun when it's time to do it. Now, at this point, my younger grades have already finished their Nearpod and you can go on to whatever we're doing next. Okay. My older grades, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, I'm asking you to do a video response to give me more of your opinion about what you thought about the activities. It's called a flip. It used to be called Flipgrid, but now it's called Flip. And so you want to sign in with your Microsoft. So join with Microsoft. Go through all the labels, and a window might pop up saying, is this you, or sign in. Okay, so your computer should already know that. Again, if not, it's your Canvas stuff. Okay, and then you're going to see an option to add a response. So we want to click on add a response. You're going to see a window that pops up, being able to record a video. You might have to press a button on the top of your Chrome internet page that says allow to record. Allow for video, allow for microphone. So if you see that, press allow. Now, I'm not going to do a response right now because I'm using my video for recording this video. But the idea is, let me know what you thought about the first 9 weeks. What did you like? What did you not like? Do you want to give me any ideas on other things that we could do or that you're looking forward to? It's a really short response, no more than a minute. You're going to record. It's going to be very similar recording buttons you've seen on a lot of programs, a circle to record, a square to stop, and then you could send it in, submit it to me. You're going to see options of other cool designs and art and effects and all that fun, lots of fun stuff. But the idea is you submit it to me, and that's pretty much it. Okay? When everyone has a chance to submit. Now, if you don't want to submit, that's okay. I understand. Some of us are a little shy. You don't have to if you don't want to. But if you can, that'd be really fun. It'd be great to see all the responses, okay? When we're done, you're going to see the end of the Nearpod, and it's going to look like this. So for everyone, kinders, first graders, second graders, third graders, fourth graders, fifth graders, this is how your Nearpod ends. And that's pretty much it, all right? Panthers, I hope you like this end of the first 9 weeks Nearpod. Can't wait to see your responses, your answers, and we're going to have a good time with it. All right, Panthers, see you this week. Bye-bye for now.